We are a public nonprofit, and our focus is on trying to advance pediatric drug development. I think the PPRV is an interesting program that has been around now for over 10 years. It was first created in 2012 by the Creating Hope Act, and there's been a couple of renewals since then. In the process of those renewals, there's been some adjustment in terms of the procedures and the definitions. But as it is today, the process works along these lines. A company that's developing a drug for a rare pediatric disease, and by that, what's meant is a disease where it's serious, maybe life-threatening, and most of the children or most of the individuals who are affected by those serious and life-threatening aspects of the disease are children, or in the pediatric age range from 0 to 18. One of the caveats with that, though, is that the only indication where that's possible is the first indication. So it has to be that the first indication is for that rare pediatric disease that you have already had a designation from the FDA on. And that, so it can't be that you first go after a blockbuster and then later come in with the application for the rare pediatric disease. That's an important consideration. And part of that is to try and stimulate the development of these compounds and get the indications early on that benefit children and others with rare diseases. That market is important in terms of making these an incentive, particularly for the small companies that don't necessarily have a lot of other immediate resources.